Hello, this is video 2 where you're going to learn how to fill up the inside of your Among Us character. So for this video, we are just going to use basic colors, and if you are looking to find custom colors, that's going to be in a different video. So you should have your border completely done and all of the insides are transparent. If the white border is really hard for you to see, feel free to change it for right now to a neon color. That way it's a little easier to see. So I'm going to change mine to blue just for right now. All right, so you can see that we have shadows, we have highlights, and we have some different tints and shades in the face mask. So to start, I'm going to grab the curve tool by clicking on the icon. And I'm going to start with the shadow in the backpack. So I'm going to start clicking a little bit inside of my border. That way there's no gaps when I have to put everything back together. And I'm coming back full circle. So for right now, I'm going to go up to the paint bucket and we're just going to choose a color from here. So we want to choose one of the shades. So I'm going to choose a dark purple. Then you need to go up to the tool that looks like a pencil and hit transparent. Now I'm going to do the shadow on the body. Clicking pretty close to my border that I've made, which is the neon blue border. So the more clicks you have, the more anchors you'll have, and it will make adjusting your shape easier. And I'm going to come back full circle, and it already changed it to the dark color that I used for the backpack, and the border's already transparent. Now I'm going to go and do the light green areas. Zoom in a little bit. And I need to change that to a light purple. So I'm going to go up to the paint bucket and I'm going to go up 2 to 3 circles. So I'm going to go up 2. And now I'm going to go and do the light green part of the body. Trying to click along my bright blue border. And you're going to go over the face mask. We're just going to pretend it's not here. Okay, and I'm going to use my anchors to adjust that shape really quick. All right, in order to get to the face mask, I'm going to move my purple shapes over to the left or the right, whatever you prefer. And now I can focus on the face mask. Clicking along my blue border. And the color of the face mask isn't really on this palette, so I'm going to go to custom. And you want your circle along the hue bar to be by the blues. And you're going to drag this circle over to like the bottom left where there's blue grays. Click on your curve tool. And I'm going to do the light part of the mask. And that's just going to be like a light blue color. I kind of like that one. And I have to move these parts over so I can do the highlight. Once you finish the highlight, then you are ready to move on to the next video. So when you have all of these parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, you're ready for video 3.